Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Guy Strangles His Cab Driver and Then Does This. So let's find out what this is. Let's get into it, man.
Police receive a call about a man that has just attempted to murder his cab driver by strangulation. Watch what happens when they arrive at the scene.
Where are they at? Point! Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground right now.
197 Circle Check.
Turn me out loose. 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 Turn me out.
2026.
Let go of her!
36 for 197 is on the cell phone.
There you go. Watch out, watch out. Let go of her!
Oh my God! Let go of me!
Let go of her!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Get up. I'm trying to let her go.
Oh, I'm protecting. Ah, that hurts.
My leg right there. My leg. Got it.
Go to me now.
How do we help you up? Get me out of here, baby. Get me out of
Get her out of here! George, get her out of here!
Get up. Peel. Come on. Peel. Okay, peel. Go up underneath. Come on. Up underneath here. And peel.
He's got my leg.
I understand that. Okay, Sam, help me.
Get that arm out. Get your arm out.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it now.
Get up underneath here and peel it backwards.
No.
Hands behind your back.
No.
Do it now.
Honestly, I'm happy to see them use their baton, because ever since spray came about, you know, it's been pretty popular. Like, well, really the taser and stuff like that too. Like, people just forget all about the baton. And the baton is like the old school method. Like, they got it, but they don't even use it. You know what I'm saying? And it's legal, fair game. Like, what? Act right. You know what I'm saying? That's a form of act right. So, you know, it was nice to see, you know, the cops using the baton again. You know what I mean?
Now, peel that one back.
He's got lieutenants hung up with a leg. Going to get a cuff on that arm.
I'm not going to cuff on that arm until we get the other one. There you go.
Nope, come up with that other side, Sean. There you go.
Don't hurt me, sir. Don't hurt me, sir. Okay. I'm going to jail. Going to jail.
We have not searched him in any way, shape, or form.
Search me, sir. Spread your feet. Yes, I will.
All the way out.
Move in any way, shape, or form. Face on the asphalt. You understand? Yes. Please, John. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Let it go. Let it go, please. Please don't hurt nobody.
Get your foot back out here.
You have to come in too. Hold on, they crap. You ain't got anything on you, do you?
Don't hurt me. Let it go.
No, stay put.
26 on 51 on the needle. Careful.
You want me to have him step back?
Turn him off. Turn him off. Oh, turn him off. This hurts. Put me in the cushion now. Take me to jail.
That's where you're going.
I need to eat. I need to eat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Please stop. That hurts. Let me eat cushion. I'll get in there safely. Please, sir. Please, sir, please.
You got that chip?
And he said, all right, take me to jail. I'm hungry. I need to eat. That boy can't wait to have lunch, boy. What is it, 9 o'clock in the morning? 9:40, 9:48. Shit, child about, what, maybe about 11? Yeah, child maybe around 11, 12. That boy ready to go.
Stick, that's it.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
We just got to do our job first, bud.
Thank you.
What's your name? Okay.
We're good? You checked
We're good?
Let me get in the cruiser. Come on, get in there. Step on in.
Go ahead, get in.
Step on in. I'm trying to. Let me go.
Go.
There you go.
Ah! This fucking hurts. Ah!
Okay, we need to check on all our folks
Can I say something to him?
in just a minute.
Ma'am, just 1 second. We're the cops,
Okay.
not McDonald's.
Hey, let me say something.
Give us just a minute.
He needs to be, y'all, you supposed to take sight meds. He haven't taken
And we're going to work
so
on that.
long.
Let us do one step at a time.
Straight days because of him.
Okay.
With that.
One step at a
When he
time.
get to the jail, make sure they put him on some psych meds.
Yep, we're getting.
Back away.
Did you see something?
I called.
You called? You saw it?
I'm the driver.
Okay. You saw it. You saw it. Did you see it?
I got it
Did
on
you see it?
video.
Did you see it?
He just
You just
came
got
out
here.
for me.
All right. I'm going to get everybody's statements. Y'all all good with filling out a statement?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Did you see anything?
Sir?
Did you see anything?
Yes, sir. I was
Okay.
in the cab with him.
Did you see anything?
No, but
No?
around here.
Okay.
And,
He just all of a sudden.
Do you want to write a written statement?
Well, I'll tell y'all whatever I need to do.
Okay. I'm going to get you a statement. Stay right over here with me. Right over there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
Hey, hungry. Settle down. I need to get to washroom. I'm hungry, sir.
Stop that. I'll give you the biggest cheeseburger ever.
Thank you.
Please stop doing that.
All right. He's got
I'm
it.
going to order it right now.
He's my boyfriend, well, ex-boyfriend as of now.
And then your social is. Okay. Can you add that to your statement for me, just that you observed him attack her and tackle her? Thank you. They need to be with him.
Ma'am,
Can you come here? I need to talk to you real quick. Hey, I got her 14 for you here, and this is her statement. Okay. Who? This is you?
Annabelle Mobley.
Annabelle Mobley. I got her 14. That's legible. I think I came out about a month ago. You were passed out on the concrete, weren't
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, I have. Like my defibrillator went in slow.
Huh?
Hey, I need y'all to check our guy too.
I'm a wonder.
Yeah. Who did they take?
They took another guy.
Another
We got
deputy?
two. Yeah.
No, I'm across it at the those. This is your hand.
Yes. That's my hand.
Oh, you and Ricky came to the office to call a cab.
Yes.
Pulled in the parking lot, and he got in and followed. So you thought that was your cab?
Yeah. And when she told me she wasn't, he attacked me.
And attacked the driver, and she called the police. So you saw him attack her?
Yes.
He is going. Did you sign the back
swear
for
to
us?
affirm
Okay.
that
everything is the truth to the best
Yes,
of your
I
knowledge?
do. Yes, I do.
Okay.
Man, a bunch of old people wrestling, man. God dang, feel bad for that lady, man. Just getting attacked like that by that dude. And then the cop violated. I ain't gonna lie, but he just missed. It was an accident, but he football punted her in the head. That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The bystander's like, yo, you hit her. Like, yo, that was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, damn, feel bad for, the older people,
Take out pin back.
Okay, give me just a second.
Please, it hurts. I understand. Please, don't stand up there and please.
I'm not. I'm fixing to get you out, but I need you to calm down. And I need to know if you're going to cooperate or we're going to do it the hard way. Easy way, right? Okay, so we have several things we have to do before I let you out of this car, okay? We're going to get photographs of you, and we're going to do buccal swabs of you and swabs of your hands. Do you understand that? Okay? But the minute you start giving me a problem, you're going to be introduced to the ground very fast, and you're going to be hobbled. You want to be hobbled like a pig? Because that's what's going to happen next if you continue to misbehave. Do you understand me? Step out of the car. Stand up right there.
Take them off. Fucking hurts.
Put your hair up out of your face.
Yeah, he putting on a show. He faking, bro. Once he did all this, once he did all that, you putting on a show, bro.
Open your hands up. Open your hands. Open your hands. Leave them open. Look. Easy. Relax.
Just get me the fuck out of here. God.
Dude, you gotta switch your hands. You gotta turn your hands around. Well, yeah. Do you know what happened here?
Give me a cheeseburger.
You get one to the jail, dude. It's on the way. Go around the other side. Yep.
They were already out of the van and all that stuff. So
sit tight. Sit tight. Sit tight.
you're gonna lock it.
Ricky was charged with felony battery / domestic battery strangulation, attempted murder, 2 counts of battery, 3 counts of resisting arrest with violence, and battery on law enforcement officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.